In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send videos on Google Drive. We'll cover two straightforward ways to share a video. First, by creating a shareable link, which is the quickest option, and second, by sending it directly to specific people. I'll explain each step clearly so you can choose the method that fits your situation. Let's start with the easiest approach, sharing a link. Open Google Drive in your browser or the app. If the video isn't there yet, upload it by selecting New, then File Upload, and choose your video file. Large files may take time to upload, so keep the window open and wait for the progress to finish. Once your video appears in Drive, right-click it and select Get Link. In the link settings, switch the access to anyone with the link if you want anyone who receives it to be able to view. This is great for quick sharing without managing individual access. If you'd rather limit it, you can add a specific email right from this window instead. For broad sharing, keep it on anyone with the link and make sure the role is viewer so people can watch but not change the file. Click Copy Link. Now paste that link into your chat, text, or email. The person on the other end can open it immediately. Note that Google may still be processing the video for preview. That doesn't stop them from accessing the file. It just means the in-browser preview might appear after a short delay. Now for the second method, sending directly to people. If your video is already in Drive, simply right-click the file and choose Share. In the Share window, type the recipient's email address. Let's set their permission to viewers so they can watch without making edits. This is ideal when you want tighter control and a clear access list. When everything looks right, click Send. The recipient will receive an email with access, and you'll keep a record of who can view the video. If you ever need to change or remove access later, you can return to the same Share menu to adjust permissions. That's all you need to send videos through Google Drive, either with a quick shareable link for convenience or by inviting specific people for more control. Pick the method that matches your privacy needs, double check the permission is set to viewer, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you share your videos smoothly and confidently.